Hi guys, I'm Kriti from Mindful Vibing. Welcome to my channel, and today we will be crafting this beautiful tray out of air dry clay. To get started with it, I'm just rolling out the clay which is perfectly conditioned to make sure there are no cracks. Then I'll be making a circular indent and cutting it out with my craft knife. It will be serving as the base for our tray, so it doesn't need to be exactly circular. Even if it is slightly not circular, it will be working well. The next step is to smoothen out the surfaces to make sure that it is going to stick to our final tray very easily. Now I have rolled out another piece of clay into this flattened out surface, and now I'll be cutting out circular pieces using the clay cutter. Now these pieces will be working as the petals for our tray, so make sure that you have ample of them. After cutting out the circles, I am cutting out petals from each of the circle. Now to get started with the base of the tray, I'm just scratching out the surface a little bit to make sure that the pieces actually stick to each other in a very easy and efficient manner. I'm using a toothpick to do so. After I'm done, I'm starting to place the petals. I'm placing the bigger petals at the end to make the outer surface of the sunflower. After I'm done arranging the petals, I will be texturing them a little bit to give it a natural look. While texturing, I'm making sure that the tool is not piercing through my clay, it is just making slight indents on the clay. And I will be repeating the same texture for all of the petals. Now I'm getting started with the second layer of petals. So I'll be keeping them slightly overlapped with the final layer, which is the base layer. These petals are slightly smaller in size compared to the previous petals. After arranging the petals, I'll again go through the same texturing drill. I'll be repeating the same texture for all of the leaves. And now for the third layer, I'll be putting the rest of the petals on the top of the second layer. Again, I'm going ahead with the texturing of the petals, and I'll be doing the same for all of the petals. Now for the center of the circle, I'm taking out a little bit more clay and then rolling it out into a sphere. And I'll place the sphere in the center. Now I'll be texturing the middle part of the flower. This texture is slightly different from the petals. And this is how our final tray looks like. Now to make sure that it doesn't change its shape, we will be putting it in a bowl kind of a container to make sure that it gets the shape of a bowl. Now we will be putting it out in the sun to dry for 48 hours. And then after it dries, this is how our tray will finally look like.